좀 많죠?
A Little Fireface project is a group of people directed by me who work together to help save the slow loris. Our main project is in Java, in West Java, near Garut, where we work in the forest. We follow slow loris with radio collars. This helps us to find the animals at night. We write down their behavior.
Seperti yang terlihat dalam tayangan, ini merupakan salah satu kegiatan dalam proses konservasi. Ini dimaksudkan untuk mendapatkan data dan fakta mengenai kehidupan kukang di alam liar. Kita bisa lihat, kegiatan ini bukan hal yang mudah. Untuk mendapatkan data yang akurat, diperlukan kemampuan khusus serta peralatan yang memadai.
We've just found a loris in the tree here, about 9 meters high. This is an area where we've been observing one female, and she has 2 offspring, one very small baby, one a larger baby. So we're trying to determine who this is. 2 of them are wearing radio collars, but we're not getting a signal, so we think it may be the small baby. But there's also a male here, and could also be him. So we need to do 2 things tonight. The collar of the adult female is about to run out, so we want to change it and give her a new collar to follow her for 1 more year. And we also are very interested to find the male that's with her, so we can look at their social relationships. So the trackers are about to climb the tree, and if they can get the loris, we can then put the collar on.
No good. Tunggu goreng lagi.
Kasen.
Apa pohon?
Lihat.
Okay.
820 plus 270.
Frequency 151042.
You check the time at all?
No.
That's 76.08. 54.63.
That is the
Left hand and left foot. This, I'm now taking the brachial oil, and it's not very wet, but it's like just a little bit wet. Move to the other side. You could write that she's lost hair on her neck because the collar had no protective layer.
You want to bite something? It's not in there enough. It's not in there.
Good girl.
Good.
Okay, saliva.
Yeah.
Check the little baby. Can we compare? Where's the old collar?
The old color.
Let's just check the size.
No, this one, if you want. Yeah, it's more or less almost exactly the same.
Okay, good.
Wonderful.
Shrink wrap for the collar to make it safe.
If you can put this in the folder, so we don't lose it.
The radio collar is a cable tie which allows us to close it quickly. It has a small dari which weighs only 15 grams, which is less than 3% of the loris's body weight, which we need for safety. And this is called a shrink wrap, and it needs to be everywhere where it touches the animal's neck. Otherwise it will be really sharp, so that's all prepared. Now it's too hot to put on the animal, so I have to let it cool. But it's now a really good size.
Can we take hair samples
Oh
while
yeah.
we're waiting?
Now I'm going to take hair samples. This helps us to maybe identify the species, to see how old the animal is, and yeah, maybe one more. Okay.
Wonderful.
Okay. So to make sure this collar is not too tight, I'm going to put a pencil inside. And then now the pencil means the collar is not too tight. I think that's actually quite perfect.
Yeah,
It's
looks
good.
like it.
Yeah. So now
Nice one.
we put this protective layer against her fur. And I'm going to get the scissor somewhere.
Yes.
Gunting dia.
Gunting. I'm going to cut off the excess cable tie. And then we want to put a bit of glue so it...
More up.
Sorry, trick solution.
That's good.
Wonderful.
Now she has a new number. We can watch her for 1 more year. So with this collar, we can watch the animal for a whole year, and hopefully it stays fitted just like this. The last thing it's interesting to see is this antenna is covered with chili pepper. The lorises may groom each other and chew the antenna, so with the chili pepper, it makes them not want to do that, because unlike Indonesians, lorises don't like chili. We want to do the whole procedure in less than half an hour or 20 minutes, so we can put the loris straight back on the tree where we found her and minimize stress.
Lihat, siap. Siap, rilis.
Iya.
Kayak gebis.
Little Fireface Project merupakan proyek konservasi kukang. Dalam pelaksanaannya, bukan hanya sekedar melakukan penelitian, tetapi juga melakukan edukasi kepada masyarakat yang tinggal di sekitar habitat kukang.